decision should be based on the Constitution of Kenya, the statute law, and the usages, forms, precedents, customs, procedures, and traditions of the Parliament of Kenya, any other jurisdiction to the extent that these are applicable to Kenya. The preliminary issues that the Honorable Speaker of the Senate is meant to rule on are the following. Number one, there is preliminary issues that were raised by the Deputy County Governor of Kisii through his counsel, Katwa Kigen Senior Counsel, on whether the County Assembly can adduce additional evidence and material procured subsequent to the hearing and its determination of impeachment motion by the County Assembly of Kisii, whether the proceedings before the Kisii County Assembly and the Senate are fatally incompetent as they were presented to the Kisii County Assembly and to the Senate outside the timeline set out in Section 33 of the County Governments Act and the Kisii County Assembly Standing Orders 60 to 64. And the final preliminary issue raised by the Deputy Governor is whether the Senate can investigate and consider impeachment proceedings instituted on an incompetent notice and motion as per the provisions of Section 33 of the County Government Act and the Kisii County Assembly Standing Orders 60 to 64. And then there was the other preliminary issues that were raised by the County Assembly as well. And the key among these issues, under the Standing Order 80, Paragraph 8 and the Part 1, Rule 10 of the third schedule of the Senate Standing Orders on the procedure for Senate when considering removal or an impeachment motion of a Deputy Governor or a Governor. And this Rule 10, under this Rule 10, the County Assembly wants the summoning of Mr. David Agai Oyagi to produce his appointment letter and confirm if the persons who are said to be working in the Deputy Governor's home are officials in the county. And then there is also the issue that was raised by Senator for Nandi, Samson Cheragei, on the appearance of Honorable Silvanus Osoro on behalf of the Deputy Governor. That is, he based his preliminary issue on Article 75 of the Constitution of Kenya on the public values, on the conduct of state officers, or that Article 75 of the Constitution states that a state officer shall behave whether in public and official life, in private life, or in association with other persons, in a manner that avoids any conflict between personal interest and public or official duties, compromising any public or official interest in favor of a personal interest, or demeaning the office that officer holds. And this is the basis on which now there's that preliminary issue on the appearance of Honorable Osoro on behalf of the Deputy Governor is based on. And then the County Assembly also seeks to have paragraphs 40